Hello and welcome to your gallery. There are a couple ways you can download your images. As you scroll through the gallery, click on the download icon on each photo to download individual photos. Select your default image quality and the desired download location for your photos. To update your single download preferences, click on the main download icon at the top corner of your gallery and select the Preferences link. You also have the option to download the full gallery at once. You may be able to download high-resolution or web-resolution images. If you have any questions regarding image resolution, reach out to your photographer directly. You can also click the Multiple Selection option to select particular scenes or favorites lists to download. View photos as tiles or as larger images. Checkmark which images you'd like to add to your download selection and click the Download button in the bottom right corner to be taken to the Downloads page. Save your images to Google Drive, Dropbox, or directly to your computer. Click Download to Computer to see the zip folder. If you have a large number of images, you can separate this zip folder into multiple smaller folders. Click the zip folder link to begin download. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where on your computer you'd like to save the photos. Depending on your computer, you may need to install an unzipping program to unzip the folder. Most computers have a built-in unzip option. On Mac, simply double-click the downloaded file to unzip it. On PC, in the folder window, select to expand or unzip the folder. After you unzip the folder, you'll be able to access your downloads at any time.